Let's take a look at this 6-set packing cubes from Mossio. They come in a variety of different colors. Here I'm unpacking the gray color. This set includes 2 large, 1 medium, 2 small, and 1 shoe bag. They are made out of lightweight nylon fabric, which lasts long and is very sturdy. While taking a closer look, I can see that they are well made and well stitched. These will last me a very long time, and I really like how they've included icons. These help you figure out exactly what type of clothing will fit in each one. Here we have the navy blue color as well. Me and my wife bought 2 different colors so we don't get them mixed up. As you can see, it helped us organize our clothing really well. Here my wife has prepared all of her tops into one of the bags. As you can see, it is very well organized and it's easy to see what's inside. She was able to fit so many different shirts in one bag, and it's ready to pack into the travel luggage. This 6 set of bags has made it really easy for us to pack, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.